Hey everyone! I'm excited to share something truly exciting with you today. If you're keen on natural remedies and boosting your health, stick around because we're diving into the top 10 super herbs that can revitalize your heart and liver health. Let's get started. First up, turmeric. This bright yellow spice isn't just for cooking. It's a powerhouse of antioxidants and anti-inflammatory goodness. It helps lower cholesterol and improve your circulation, keeping your heart in tip-top shape. Plus, it supports your liver function and detoxification. How amazing is that? Next, we have milk thistle. Known for its active component, silymarin, milk thistle not only protects your liver, but also promotes its regeneration. It's fantastic for reducing inflammation and oxidative stress, which benefits your heart too. Moving on to garlic, a staple in many kitchens but also a hero for your heart. Garlic lowers blood pressure and cholesterol, improves circulation, and supports liver detoxification. It's like a natural health booster hidden in your pantry. Now let's talk about green tea. Rich in polyphenols, green tea helps lower cholesterol and bolsters cardiovascular health. It's also great for liver function by reducing inflammation. Who knew a simple cup of tea could do so much? Ginger is up next. Not only does it spice up your meals, but its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties also help improve blood flow and heart health. Plus, it may support liver function by reducing inflammation. Ashwagandha, an adaptogenic herb, is a stress buster that also aids heart health by lowering cholesterol and blood pressure. It may even protect your liver. Definitely worth adding to your wellness routine. Dandelion isn't just a weed, it's a herb that detoxifies the liver and promotes bile flow. It's packed with antioxidants that protect the heart and might even help lower blood pressure. Ginseng, famous for its role in traditional medicine, improves circulation and heart function, may lower cholesterol and blood sugar levels, and is suspected to support liver health too. Artichoke is next on our list. It's not just a delicious vegetable, but also a beneficial herb. Artichoke helps protect the liver, improve bile flow, lower cholesterol, and boost heart health. Finally, we have cinnamon. This delightful spice has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. It helps lower blood sugar, cholesterol, and blood pressure, all while protecting your liver. Remember, while herbs can be immensely beneficial, it's always best to consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new supplement, especially if you have underlying medical conditions or are taking medications. Thanks for tuning in. I hope you found this information helpful. Here's to a healthier heart and liver. Catch you next time.